back in the ground lawn this evening. It's around 5 o'clock, and didn't hear anything this morning. It was raining pretty much all morning, and it cleared up about 2 o'clock, so we got probably about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours of legal light. So we're gonna stick this out. Hopefully we hear a turkey, and we'll probably end up finding where he roosts if he's way off in the distance. What I think they do in the evenings is just buy turkey tracks and sign. It rained a few days ago, and after that rain I came down here, and the turkey tracks funneled right down this trail. This is what I almost think they do. So they're out in that field. There's a whole bunch of fields out here. It's probably 60 acres worth of fields, and they will funnel right down this trail and roost back up into this other field that's got briars and thick brush back in there. So hopefully that's what they do. I got a Jake and a single hen out here. Good weather to be back out here, so let's see what happens. Quest for bow hunting. Alright, it is the next morning. It's April 23rd. We're sitting out here in the blind this morning. Maybe trying to get a copper to come in and get a shot at it. We didn't have any luck yesterday evening. The only thing that probably even gave me a chance, or gave me an idea, was that when I was into the truck, I don't know if it was a hen or a dom, flew up and the trees went up to the roost. It was way off, but I did hear it, so we're gonna see what happens. I don't think I heard anything this morning. It's too windy to hear very far, so we're gonna sit tight. It's a little colder this morning, so I don't think we're gonna see any action pretty early. It's probably gonna be later in the morning, so we're gonna enjoy this. We always do. Quest for bow hunting. Well, this morning wasn't successful. We didn't see any gobblers, but I'm pretty sure I may have heard one this morning. It was way too windy for me to hear even 100 yards. Only cool part that happened today was got 2 deer on film. They were around 9:30, somewhere in that range when they came in, and it's about 10:15, 10:30 right now, so we're gonna call this quits. Very cold morning. It's around 40 degrees, so haven't heard anything yet. We're gonna get into their owl hoot and just see what happens.